Thanks for joining me again here on my 10 Bloom Cakes YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some inspiration of a new cake that I'm going to try. I'm going to do something a little bit more Korean inspired. So it's a technique that I've done a little bit but not a lot. And what's cool about the Korean style is that it looks really kind of like super delicate and artsy and almost ethereal, like you're floating. So they like to use these really cool like dark colors so that these white or bright blooms kind of come through from the dark colors. So I did this really pretty cake right here, and it's actually a mixture of purple and black. So this is gonna be a really beautiful backdrop for our unique Korean buttercream palette knife cake. I actually look forward to seeing exactly how this cake is gonna turn out, probably just as much as you do. So let's get to it. I'm gonna go ahead and start. I'm gonna do a little bit of color mixing, show that magic on camera, and give you not a tutorial. These are not tutorials. Believe me, if you want to learn how I do exactly what I do, go to 10bloomcakes.com. You're gonna learn all of my techniques for all of my flowers if you click on tutorials, or if you click on workshops and see if I am doing one in a city near you. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm gonna take this color that I made with the purple and with the black. It's just left over from what I coated my cake with. And I'm going to smooth it out a little bit. And then I'm going to mix it with some green. I'm gonna add some black to it, just a drop. Okay, that's looking much better. Okay, and so now we have like a really nice mustard yellow or sunflower yellow or whatever you want to call it, but it's not super bright lemon yellow, which was definitely not something that I wanted. Okay. And then I'm going to take this fuchsia and brown. Let's see what we get with these. Very nice. Okay, perfect. So it turned out to be kind of like a mauve-y color. I think I might add just a little bit of red to brighten it up a little bit. Lovely. Okay, so this isn't going to be like one of my bouquets where I typically kind of do a bouquet across. This is going to be kind of more flowers that almost look like they're coming from the ground. And here we have the final result. And you know what? I don't think it's that bad. It did take a little bit of a learning curve, but all in all, I'm pretty happy with the results. And really, learning is all about taking chances, right? In the end, I think that the color choices actually made it look much better than it could have. So this is a time where I encourage you to go to my website, 10bloomcakes.com. The link is in the comments section. There you will find in the menu bar links to my online tutorials that you can purchase online and work on as long as you want from the joy and comfort of your own home. Or you can join me for a workshop, which are really fun. I do workshops all over the country teaching people pretty much everything I know. Well, not everything I know, what I can in 8 hours. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can make more content for you. Also follow me on Instagram. You'll find me at 10bloomcakes. Same on Facebook. I look forward to making the next video for you soon. Have a great day.